Hi guys! At sa aking mga kapwa madiskarteng mga guro at kapwa madiskarteng mga mami, welcome po sa aking YouTube channel, ang Madiskarteng Mamshi. But before we start, just don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos and uploads. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to share to you how to create flip sounds. So, ito yung isa sa mga pwede nating magamit, either sa classroom or pwede rin at home. As a teacher kasi, talagang it's very important to have different instructional materials for our kids. So, isa sa mga gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung paggawa ng flip sounds. And here are the materials that we're going to use. First, kailangan po natin ng folder. Much better po kung yung mga old folders na lang ninyo sa bahay para at least hindi na po tayo bibili. And then, kailangan po natin ng cutouts or printouts ng letter, big and small. We're going to use also scissors or gunting, a puncher, and kailangan din po natin ng ring. So, ito po yung gagamitin natin pang bind doon sa mga cutouts natin. Kung wala naman, pwede rin pong alambre. And pentel, pen, and glue. So, itong pentel pen, pwede pong isulat na lang natin yung letters kung wala kayong printer. And then, ito po yung gagamitin nating handle. So, galing lang po siya sa sirang hanger. So, kung wala naman, pwedeng piece of wood na lang din. So, this is how to create our flip sounds. So, first, pag meron na po kayong printout ng mga letters, ikakat lang po natin siya and then ididikit sa folder. So, big and small letters po ang ating cut out. Actually, yung sa akin, tatlong set ng small letters and then tatlong set ng big letters. So, medyo marami-raming folders po ang kakailanganin natin. That's the reason why much better po, sabi ko, kung gagamit na lang kayo ng old folders, yung mga hindi na ginagamit, mapapakinabangan pa po natin yan, huwag niyong itapon. So, para po makatipid at gamit na rin natin siya, makatulong pa tayo sa kalikasan, less na yung magiging basura, magagamit pa rin po natin siya. So, huwag po natin itatapon. And then, ayan, naidikit na po natin and na-cut out na po natin sa mga folders ang mga letters. So, next is, bubutasin na natin siya gamit ang puncher. So, kailangan po may distance sa paglalagyan ng ring para hindi masyadong madaling masira. Kaka-flip po kasi yan katagalan. Madali siyang matanggal. So, medyo kailangan may distance siya sa itaas para at least hindi siya madaling matanggal. And then, after that, saka natin ilagay yung ring. Actually, itong ring, nabibili naman sa lahat ng school supply. May sizes naman siya. May small, medium, and large. May sukat ata yan. I think may nakalagay kung 1/2 inch or meron din 1 inch. And then, yan. Isushoot na lang natin sa pinunch natin na butas. Afterwards, yan. Saka nyo na pwedeng gawin sa ibang mga letters. So, tatlong set po yung ginawa ko. Previously, meron na po ako nagawa. Tatlong set ng small letters and then tatlong set ng big letters para at least pwede silang makabuo ng mga words. And then, finally, lalagay na po natin siya sa handle. So ayan. Pwede naman po tayong gumamit ng wood or kahoy sa handle para mas matibay. And then, yung ginamit ko dito na ring, actually, naubusan ako ng ring, kaya ang ginamit ko na lang is alambre. Ayan, pwede rin naman pala siyang gamitan ng alambre. And here is my final output of my flip sounds. So, ayan. Itong set na po ito ay mga big letters. So, pero since naubusan ako, ang ginamit ko lang muna yung ko siya ng alambre siya. Ayan. So, alambre and then masira. Ikot ko lang siya and then may lock din siya katulad nung original na design dito sa ring. Mayroon siyang pang-lock. Okay, so ang gagamitin muna natin ay yung big letters. Sige nga, Matt and Aris, go!
Yes, okay, now you're going to tell the sound of each letter and then Alice will be the one to flip up those cards. And you tell the sounds of each letter, okay? Ready? Start. Next. Yes, correct. Cross your legs. Yes, next, louder. Yes, correct. Next. And the next one. Yeah, you show the letters, okay? Next. Oh, what's that? What's the sound of that? Yes, ang favorite ni Matthew sa gabi. Good, correct. Next. Yes. Check. Where's the sound? Yes, check. Next. What is the sound? J. J, correct. Next. Next one. K. Yes, correct. K. Next. Okay, check. Next. Okay. What's that? What's the sound? Okay, next one. Next one. Correct. Good. Okay, next. Oh, okay, next. Next. Okay, good. How about the next one? Cross your legs, Mark. What's the next one? Ano sound niyan? Yes, correct. Ano yan? Sabi ni Aris, tama si Aris? Not kwa. Okay, next. Next letter sound, Matt. Again? Okay, next. Turn it now. Ayan. Alam na alam niya ni Matthew. So, okay, check. Next. Correct. Next. Yun. Ano yan? What's that? Oh, what's the sound? Again? Next letter. What's the sound? Very good. Next, parang very good. Oh, what's the sound of that one? Again? Okay, next. Again? Check. Correct. Next. Yan, yung para sa yo-yo. What's the sound? Okay, check. Next. And the next letter. What is the sound of the next letter? Correct. Next. Yan, yung favorite nyo. Okay, next. And the last one. Last one muna. Last one. You tell the sound. You show the letter. Yes. Okay, so now we're back. So ito na po yung gagamitin natin ngayon for our reading intervention. Pwede rin siya, reading materials natin. Okay, so ito yung gawa siya sa old folders lang. Then pinrint out ko lang yung mga letters. Then nilagyan ko siya ng ring. Ayan, yung ring gawa lang din siya sa alambre. And then ito namang handle niya is gawa din siya sa yung used na hanger, naputol na hanger. Ginamit ko siya. Pwede naman palang gamitin. Okay, so kung wala naman, pwede naman piece of wood or bamboo. Okay, so let's start. Are you ready, Matthew? Yes, Mama, I'm ready. Okay, let's have the first one. Okay, what is the sound of this? Ito? Correct. Next. This one. Check. Next. How about this one? Correct. Next. Okay, ito. Yan. Very good. How about this one? Okay, check. And how about this one? Ito. What is the sound of this? Rap. Again? Rap. Check. Next, how about this one? Yes, check. And this one. Okay, how about this word? Stop. Check. Very good. So, ayan. Very good. Palakpakan! Yay! I'm ready. Okay, let's start. This time, si Aris naman. Correct. Next. Cat. Again, one more time. Cat. Next. And this one, ito. Again. Sound. Next. How about this one? Again. Okay, this time, ito naman. How about... Ito. Yan, okay? That. And how about this one for the last one? Oh, where's that letter?